Stop cutting out carbs. Stop starving yourself. If you're over 40 and you're fighting that stubborn belly fat, the secret isn't deprivation. The secret is adding the right foods to your plate. Welcome to True Lose Zone. For so many of us, what worked in our 20s and 30s just stops working. You're eating less, you're moving more, and the scale won't budge. Or worse, it's going up. That's because our hormones are changing. Our bodies are more sensitive to stress, and high-stress hormones like cortisol are a one-way ticket to storing fat right around our middle. So today, I'm showing you the 5 foods I prioritize every single day. This isn't a restrictive diet, it's a power-up for your body. Let's go. Number 1. Ground flaxseed. This right here is my top hormonal helper. Flax seeds are packed with something called lignans, which are a type of phytoestrogen. Now, that just means they are a weak, plant-based estrogen. Why does this matter? As our own estrogen levels fluctuate and decline, these lignans can gently help balance things out, which can mean less hormonal belly fat, fewer hot flashes, and better moods. They're also full of fiber, which is critical. How I use it: I add 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, it has to be ground, or your body can't absorb it, to my morning smoothie, or I stir it into oatmeal. It's that simple. Number 2. Avocado. Please, do not be afraid of this fat. This is a powerhouse of healthy monounsaturated fat. This fat is essential for hormone production, but just as importantly, it signals to your brain that you are full and satisfied. When you feel satisfied, you stop craving the sugar and the snacks that spike your blood sugar and lead to fat storage. Avocados are also loaded with potassium, which helps your body flush out excess sodium and reduces that awful hormonal bloat. How I use it: half an avocado with my eggs in the morning, sliced onto a big salad for lunch, or even blended into a smoothie to make it extra creamy. Number 3. Plain Greek yogurt. If you only do one thing, make it this: prioritize protein. After 40, we lose muscle mass every year, and muscle is what keeps your metabolism burning hot. Protein is the building block for that muscle. Greek yogurt is an absolute powerhouse. 1 cup can have 18, 20, or even 22 grams of protein. Plus, it's full of probiotics. Your gut health is your second brain, and it's directly linked to your hormones. A healthy gut helps you manage stress, absorb nutrients, and keep things regular. How I use it: this is my go-to afternoon snack: a bowl of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt with the food we're about to talk about next. Number 4. Berries. I'm talking blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. Take your pick. This is how you satisfy your sweet tooth without spiking your blood sugar. Blood sugar spikes are a huge enemy in the fight against belly fat. Berries are low sugar, high fiber, and packed with antioxidants. That fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut, the ones you just got from the Greek yogurt. And the antioxidants help fight the inflammation that can make weight loss feel impossible. How I use it: a handful on my yogurt, a cup in my smoothie, or just as a snack when I'm craving something sweet. And number 5. Leafy greens, specifically spinach and kale. I know. Eat your greens. But here's the why for women over 40. These greens are loaded with magnesium. Magnesium is the calming mineral. It helps with everything from sleep quality to muscle cramps to, most importantly, managing stress. It helps lower that belly fat hormone, cortisol. Most of us are deficient in it, and it's a game changer. How I use it: this is my daily lazy habit. I pack a huge handful of fresh spinach into my morning smoothie. I promise you can't even taste it. It's the easiest way to get a massive nutrient boost first thing in the morning. So, there you have it. It's not about deprivation. It's about adding power. Ground flaxseed for hormone balance. Avocado for healthy fats and satiety. Greek yogurt for protein and gut health. Berries for fiber and antioxidants. And leafy greens for magnesium and stress management. You don't have to be perfect, but adding these in will give your body the tools it actually needs to lose weight in your 40s and beyond. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 foods will you add to your grocery list this week? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you're ready to stop the deprivation and start losing weight for good, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the True Lose Zone family. I'll see you in the next video.